Hello creative community, I am Mugsy and this video is altered puzzle piece number 16. I'm creating with different mixed media techniques and this one works with foil tape and has a steampunkish theme to it. Once finished creating on each of the 40 puzzle pieces, I will assemble the puzzle and frame or use it in another piece of art. I used some foil tape from the hardware store. The tape adheres and forms very nicely over whatever is under it, kind of like something you vacuum form does. It is actually pretty neat to work with and I will be using it again, I am sure. I have so many of these oddity pieces I have collected over time that my art is pulling me into more clutter or junk mixed media, which I do adore this type of art, but I think it's time to do a large piece and use up some of my stash. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel for more creating and upcoming finished puzzle videos. I also wanted to shout out the entire creative community here on YouTube. With the new YouTube creator guidelines, it'll be harder for smaller creators to get ad revenue from the videos they create and share. The creative community, that includes you, are coming together and supporting one another to support other creators. The love is in the air. Can you feel it? World peace is a little more achievable today. Reach out, chat with others in the comments, and share other creators' channels with each other. I'll see you next one. Bye guys.